Welcome. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can open propellers on your DJI Mavic Mini. So first of all, let's focus on these two propellers, and as you can see here we can find information that we have to pull them to this side. We can use this part. Do it gently. Do the same with the left one. And right now let's go for the bottom propellers. So this one we have to just simply open like that. Another one, and as you can see right now we successfully did it. Let me just zoom out, and that's how it looks. As you can see, it was very simple. If you want to put them back, just follow the instruction that you find on your stickers right here. But as you can see, when you try to put back the front propellers, first of all you have to close this bottom. So you have to start from this one, twist like that. Remember to do it gently, to don't break anything, and then we can close the upper propellers. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.